In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your eBay account quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned eBay seller or just browsing for cool finds, knowing how to access your account seamlessly is essential. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your preferred web browser and head over to eBay's homepage. This is your gateway to the vast marketplace that eBay offers, filled with countless options for buying and selling. When you arrive on the homepage, your eyes will naturally be drawn to the top right corner, where you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking this is your first step towards accessing your personalized eBay account, where all your activities can be managed. Next, you'll need to enter your account details. It's important to have your username or the email linked to your account ready. This information ensures that eBay knows exactly which account you're trying to access. Right alongside this, you'll enter your password. Make sure to type it carefully, as eBay is case sensitive and will require the exact match to verify your login details. Once you've filled in your username or email and the password, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This action will direct eBay to check your credentials and take you straight to your account if entered correctly. It's a simple process, but makes all the difference in ensuring you're securely logged in. Many people feel a rush of relief seeing their personalized homepage appear, but if you happen to see an error, such as a message indicating a wrong password, don't fret. eBay provides a helpful option right there on the sign-in page, the Forgot Password feature. This link is a lifesaver if your password seems to have slipped your mind. By clicking it, you'll be guided through the steps to reset your password via the email linked to your account. So although it might seem like a hassle in the moment, know that you're just a few steps away from getting back into your account. As a pro tip, consider keeping your password manager up to date, or use a secure location to jot down your passwords. This everyday task of logging in becomes even easier when your credentials are readily available. Having followed these instructions, you're now well equipped to access your account on eBay and explore or manage your buy and sell activities. Thanks for watching, and here's to a hassle-free eBay experience.